I'm Chip Kahn, the CEO of IPCommerce. In one sentence, what do we do? IPCommerce provides the first cloud computing platform for commerce. Our managed commerce services platform enables payment providers and new entrants to become solution providers by enabling new workflows, services, and processes on demand. So what problem do we solve, and for who? Well, the legacy payment systems were not designed to support payment convergence or support application development. So we provide our service infrastructure and application delivery framework to payment service providers so they can, first, enable commerce workflows and software applications. The industry average for this today is 56 weeks, while with IPCommerce, it's 5.2 weeks. The benefit of that is a greater percentage of successful integrations, those that get to market and become profitable. The industry average success rate for that is under 40%, whereas with IPCommerce, that success rate is greater than 80%. That results in time to break even on integration, where the industry average is 48 months, and with IPCommerce, it's under 5 months. In summary, our managed commerce services platform reduces the cost, time, and complexity of deploying commerce-enabled applications, provides positive feedback loops, and economies of scale to partners. Whether developing a payment application or addressing the needs of a community of software companies as a payment service provider, we provide a comprehensive approach and workflow to integration, promotion, customer acquisition, and customer activation. What makes us different than anyone else in this space? We enable real innovation securely. What makes us different is what we enable. For example, today application developers have built the following on our platform. TV set-top devices for purchasing content and goods with a digital wallet. Highly integrated management solutions for single practice healthcare and for large hospitals. SMS text-based subscription payments for parking. Nonprofit donation management. Unattended payments at kiosks. Smartphone payment enablement. New e-commerce workflows for social networks. And electronic payment enablement of invoices for small businesses out of Microsoft Word, and so on. All these commerce-enabled applications are then made available in our marketplaces, which is an app store for our partners. So in summary, application developers can focus on the value add and differentiation of their product versus the arduous and time-consuming work of creating an underlying service infrastructure. And we do this by partnering with existing payment providers to help them create their own vibrant ecosystem by eliminating all the friction. What feedback have we received from our last investor-client discussions? I think consistently IPCommerce partners recognize the benefit of leveraging our platform as a method of solving immediate market pain while positioning themselves for the future. What's compelling about our story? Well, every business takes and makes payments, or they aren't in business for long. The big opportunity here is to displace paper checks and cash, which would create an incremental service fee opportunity of $8 billion annually to the payments value chain in the US alone. But to do this, the payment infrastructure in the US needs an upgrade. Certainly the last mile does. And that's not a trivial task, but one we at IPCommerce are doing. And we're working with over 60% of the market today to do that. From an IPCommerce perspective, our platform approach creates a nice economic moat that other major multi-sided businesses have scaled from, businesses like Microsoft. What is the one word that most of the people we talk to about our product or service use to describe it? Magic. Why are we what's next in payments? Through our end-to-end workflow, we help some of the largest players in payments accelerate revenue, capture incremental revenue, reduce ongoing operating expenses, differentiate, and reduce attrition. Those are all things that are pretty important to these major payment companies. And we're best in class at exposing payments to developers. And there's sort of this inevitable march of payments moving into software in a ubiquitous manner. And we're positioning to be the operating system for that.